Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger. That's the beast, BRP CanAm Spyder F3s. And today, this is a bonus video to the pedal commander or throttle commander that I did last week. I'm also working on another video about Q&A and some modes and my feelings after sometimes I'm using the pedal or throttle commander. However, today's video, I told you, it's a bonus video. And what we will do, we will turn this bad boy off and we will hit this private road. It's like 5-kilometer road, twisty and curvy road. And we have like one camera there and one camera right over there, some action camera, so you are not bored. And we will compare it with the pedal commander on in a Sport Plus -2 setup. That's where I feel comfortable. By the way, for the legal purposes, it's not me on the video, neither TheBeast, of course. Small promotion from MartinTheVlogger shop, online shop. I'm riding with the extra load on my back seat, but I'm able to use the full power of the Beast because, you know, there is a push button, and when you have some load right over there, you are not able to really hit the road, and the nanny will shut the power down or reduce the power. But I have a fixed push button right over there, so I'm able to ride like this and enjoy the full speed, full power of the Beast. Now, enough of this. This is a pure joy video, pure riding video, so enjoy it. And I'm gonna have my mic in the helmet, or whatever rider we're gonna have a mic in the helmet when the throttle commander is on in the Sport Plus -2 setup. So enough of this. Enjoy. And by the way, in case you are not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and have the notifications on, because Q&A about throttle commander and pedal commander and my experience, it's coming shortly. Now let's ride. Okay, I'm riding here since early in the morning and the brakes are a little bit warm, but anyway, what I like here, you know, I love this track. When every time I come here, I simply enjoy it, but this is with the pedal commander, it's just amazing, you know. I'm trying to give you the best possible feedback. And what is this all about? It's all about, you know, not going fast. And before that I was able to go around this corner in like, I don't know, 30 kilometers an hour. Now I can go 50. No, it's not about that. But this acceleration from low, you know, speeds on the first gear and second gear, that's what makes the big difference. And I'm riding Sport Plus in the mode -2 just because that's where I feel my throttle, it's, you know, still very sensitive, but I can control it. If I go to the higher mode like +4, +2, the throttle at the beginning in the low corners, it's this is tricky one. It's way too much responsible. From this type of corner I would be like, you know, jumping, and you have a look, I'm trying, and just really on a tiny inch the bike goes, and that's a beautiful thing. So what I'm trying to say is, like, I used to enjoy this road, but with the pedal commander or throttle commander, call it as you like, it's a different ball game. Guys, we're already on the top. Hopefully you like it. So guys, what you think? I'm riding here since super early in the morning for about 2 hours. The bike on the last ride was way too hot and I can feel it, like there was not the 100% of the power, but that's not important, okay? I'll tell you more in upcoming video. This is just a bonus video about riding. However, just a couple of words, you know, just to give you the impression like what the pedal commander does to your riding, to your joy. Without that, don't get me wrong, F3s, it's a powerful machine. You got all the power in the right wheel or on the rear wheel, and that's great. And every time you're on a road like this, it's just pure joy. Okay. Now, why I have decided to, you know, demonstrate this power on the track like this is because it has these slow corners, and that's where the pedal commander is absolutely awesome, because it gives you, you know, that instant power. You know, you have the all 115 horsepower. I know it's not mechanically correct or technically correct, but you got all the power immediately on your rear wheel and you just go. And maybe you ask like, okay, what about the nanny? Will it shut the power down when you slide a little or whatever? Look, I don't want to put it this way, but that's the reason why I'm here. Like, I'm practicing, you know, always practicing, getting, you know, better in riding. So right tire pressure, right, you know, moment when you accelerate, so your front wheels are not sliding. But still, somehow, I know it's not possible, but somehow the nanny was not shutting down. Just the bike just felt like, okay, I need to go. And it just went, you know. Again, maybe it's me riding. I don't want to put too much credit to me, but yeah, it's just absolutely epic. I mean, really great upgrade. A little bit expensive though, but really, like, smile on my face. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Wait for another video where I will tell you everything about it, what I have found out. Don't forget to subscribe and have the notifications on, and if you like the video, hit the like there if you like, or dislike, it's up to you. And now, most importantly, remember, ride safe and always have fun.